Hey guys, so today is a box that I'm not super excited to open, mostly because I'm just clearly really into makeup, beauty boxes, lifestyle boxes, and all that. If you've been following my channel, you've seen me unbox Love with Food before. I actually purchased this as a Groupon a while back and I forgot to cancel it. It's not that I don't like it, it's affordable and you know, it's nice to get snacks. It's just some of them I can't consume due to my dietary restrictions. And you know, I just want to focus more on boxes that excite me, like beauty boxes on my channel. But since I have this here, the tasting box by Love with Food, I wasn't going to just open it off camera. I still want to share it with you because some people might really like this. So, like I said, Love with Food, this is, well, I don't think I said, but if you do not know, Love with Food is a snack subscription service and it's all about healthy, good snacks. So it says Snack Smart, Do Good. And I get the tasting box, and this is the most affordable box. This is $7. And I think they have a box that's $10, and then they have another option that's also $10, I believe. I will leave their link below. You can check out more if you're interested, but they have a gluten-free option. I think that is a $10 box too, and it comes once a month. And God, I can never speak. A cool thing about this box is that it donates some snacks and food to people in need. So it says, "Thank you. You are awesome. This box helps in the fight against world hunger." So that makes me feel good. I love purchasing subscription boxes that also give back. Yeah, it makes me feel a lot better about my purchases. So on the back here, it talks more about their mission and all that stuff. I'm not going to read that all to you because I clearly can't speak. But under that, you see some snacks, and it looks pretty good. So this isn't my last one. Next month will be my last box of this, so I did cancel it. I remembered this time, and I automatically was subscribed to another 3 months. So that's why I'm still getting it next month. So this, ooh, yummy. This is sweet, savory rice snack, sweet chili with roasted peanuts, sweet and tangy nuts. So this is something I could eat. Yeah, it just says peanuts. It looks like it also contains, oh no, I can't. Are you serious? There's fish in here and nuts. Oh, I start out negative, so I'm getting negative things. Okay, so where does it have fish? Fish extract, bonito. Okay, first thing, can't eat. No, why is it necessary to put fish in peanut thing? Whatever. Oh, the next thing, hopefully, maybe not. Peanut butter chocolate bar. So I guess this does have some cage-free egg whites. I have a confession to make. I am vegan, but when I was in Jamaica, I did have a little bit of dairy, and I had a little bit of something today. I don't eat non-vegan at home, and I will never eat fish or meat. But if I'm really hungry and I can't eat something somewhere, I decided I am going to eat vegetarian. So this has, yeah, so it does have egg whites in it. This looks really good. It's gluten-free, soy-free. It's by Epic. It's a performance bar. This is what it looks like. There's some dates in there. I like dates. It's yummy. So I'll probably give that to a friend, but if I'm starving, it's in the house and that's there, I would eat it. Just telling the truth. Okay, the next thing I see is Appleway's Granola Simply Wholesome Crispy Bites. This is a nut baked in a nut-free bakery, so this is cool for those who are unable to eat any tree nuts or nuts at all. So these have a light crunch that appeals to all ages. Their granola crispy bites contain 16 grams of whole grains, natural flavor, no preservatives, and have 0 grams of trans fat, making them a healthy, on-the-go, delicious snack. And this contains milk. So see, like, there's other snack box for vegans. This is not what I would recommend at all. I used to get vegan cuts a long time ago. I should get that again. It would come with so many goodies. Like, it was way before my blog and YouTube. So, okay, moving on. Next thing is Georgia Peach Cookies. This is by Bird's Famous Cookies. And they're bite size. And this contains wheat, milk, eggs, and may contain trace amounts of tree nuts and peanuts. So, are they just like peach flavored? I guess so. It's hard to really like tell you guys all the details or my thoughts on food because I'm not going to be trying all of these. So I'm sorry this video might be really boring. But if you're new here, I normally post videos on lifestyle and beauty boxes. Okay, I'm pretty positive I can eat these. The Snyder's of Hanover mini pretzels. These typically do not have any dairy in them. Even though I'm trying to do this like carb-free thing, I've been failing at it. I like was so good about eating like vegan keto before my Jamaica trip, and then ever since then, feasting. Yes, this just says wheat, it's peanut free. So this looks like pretzels, mini pretzels. I'm sure we've all had these before, at least they're normal size. Oh, what's this? Looks yummy. I hope I can eat this. Coconut macaroons. I love macaroons. I think they're so good. It does have egg white in it. So this is Belgian quality. What does Belgium make higher quality foods? I don't know. I mean, I bet a lot of places do over here. Ooh. Yuck. There's a turkey snack stick. Like, yeah, I'm not a fan of this box. First of all, not one item is vegan. But again, this isn't aimed for vegans. And ew. I can't even like show you guys this. I'm like, this is, I love animals. I don't eat them. They're my friend. I mean, I know everyone else in the world does. Not everyone, but most people, like 90-something% of the world does. So, you know, I'm not hating on you. This is a personal choice. I choose not to eat my animal friends. But, yeah. And there's a Hello Fresh coupon, $50 off gift card. I feel like I get these a lot in boxes. They must really team up with a lot of people. I wonder if they have a vegan option. Someone, a subscriber left in the comments said purple carrot's a good option for vegans. I'm gonna check that out, I think. But anyways, that was my September tasting box, Love with Food tasting box. I think I do have a coupon code or a referral link or something like that. I think when I checked last month, it was like 40% off or something like that. I'm sorry I did not look it up before I filmed, but I will leave a link for that below. And I'm sorry for this boring, non-enthusiastic video. I'm supposed to be getting some more boxes this week, so stay tuned and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.